My name is Ederer. I'm a physical therapist and I'm a neurologic clinical specialist. So we actually were set up for video visits before COVID-19 pandemic had started. So as soon as things kind of changed and our situation changed, we started rolling out the video visits rather quickly and ramped up on those a lot. Currently I'm doing about 5 to 6 a day. My coworker who works a longer shift, she's doing about 7 to 9 through the video visits. Beforehand we weren't doing any, so significant increase. And we've also started training more individuals to be ready to do these video visits, so we're seeing more of our therapists starting to get on board with that and do a few visits a day as well. Patients have been really grateful and I think honestly surprised. I don't think they realized that they were going to be able to get help during this time. So I think they're really happy that they do get the help they need and that they're able to see results. So I don't think they were expecting that, and I think it's a new thing for them as well to do PT through video visits. It's not something they ever imagined. But overall it's been an overwhelming positive response.